Hello everybody. For those of you who remember my last video about the code P2138 regarding the pedal position assembly sensor throttle body-ish problem, voltage correlation, I did clean up the throttle body, but the problem is still on, so I done a little study about that. My problem is always happening after I'm driving about 15 kilometer or so. So thinking of that, I thought it was not related to the wiring or the connectors since it was working. And I think it is an electronic problem. And the pedal is working fine, except when the problem's happening, obviously. And the only component who I don't have control on is the throttle body, since it's a component on the side of the throttle body who determine the position of it. So let me show you. It's in there. And it's sealed. I cannot open it. So if I try to open it, I will probably break something. So since I think this is the problem, I decide to buy a brand new throttle body, and I will replace it. As you can see, I'm in the storage, but the winter is almost done. I will take the beast out of storage in 2 weeks. So let's start disassembling this thing and installing the new one. you can see, I cleaned it up last year. It's still clean, but it's not working, so we'll try to get rid of that problem. Yeah, I thought so. You'll be very stuck in it. So I'll put a new gasket. Even if I didn't see any signs of problem with it, the new gasket is just about $2.50, so better be safe than sorry. So if we look at the old one, is obviously dry, but there's no crack in it. It's just dirt. But just in case there was a leak of air, like I said, better be safe than sorry. And there's the new one. All clean and shiny. In a perfect world with a bit, come on baby, that, sorry about that. So like I was saying, in a perfect world, I will have replaced the entire intake so I can fit a bigger throttle body on it, so to get more horsepower, but budget doesn't allow it just right now. Just yet, so I put it back the same size of throttle body. Doesn't need to be retard tight. I don't have a torque wrench right here, but I will run it like that and check the torque in 1 week. Make sure everything's still tight and in place. Forget to put back a little lock on the connector. It's pretty easy to replace this throttle body compared to some model where the throttle body is a very weird position. This one, since it is a V8, it's big, it's on the top, on the side, very easy to replace. It's just that easy, guys, to replace the throttle body on this car, which is a Pontiac Grand Prix GXP 2005. So I'll let you know as soon as I will do the test drive and tell you if the problem's still there or is it fixed or what. So see you later, guys.